Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make the red crumbs we use on for death cake. So I have my red velvet. This is the leftover I got after trimming up my cake. So I have a pan like this and I lined it up with parchment paper. So my hands are clean, washed before doing this. So the next thing is I just try to smush up the red velvet cake piece into pieces. You can do this using your leftover after your trimming work. You don't necessarily need to use a full red velvet cake. So you see the whereby your leftovers are still very important, as you will use this for decorative purposes. So I have this all set up in my tray. So now I'm going to pop these into I have my oven switched on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and if you don't have gauging for your oven, you simply just set your oven to medium heat and you're allowed to preheat for a few minutes before you have this in. So I'm going to place this now in my oven for a couple of minutes, after which we'll see the end result of this. Alright, so here is our red velvet crumb. As you can see, I had it in my oven for about 25 minutes on medium heat. You can see, so it's still quite a bit warm, so I'm going to let this cool down off the oven for a while. And you can see that they are still in big chunks. So what you need to do is, once they have cooled down completely, you can then crush them further down to the size you want. So this is just how you create your crumbs for your death cake decorations. That's what you can use. You can sprinkle this on your cupcakes, use it as an art on your cake body work. So I'm going to show you what I did. I'm going to do this for my chocolate cake leftover. So I'm going to show you the end result of that which I did for my chocolate cake. So this is what I did when I made for my chocolate cake, as you can see. So I'm going to be showing you how I actually made this one too. So here is my chocolate cake leftover. I have my lined up, as you can see. What I had after scraping off, that's trimming off my cakes, the top and the base is still very moist. So I'm going to scatter this onto my tray also. Spread it evenly on my tray. So the thing is that if your chocolate cake is super moist, very like mine, you're going to have it might stay a bit longer in the oven. Well, if yours is that so dense, well, already dried up, maybe you can achieve that. You can achieve your crumbs getting dried up on time, or you can increase the heat of your oven if you wish, if you're not that patient, whichever one. So here it is. So that's the way I did for that red velvet crumb. It's the same thing I'm going to do for that on my chocolate cake crumb. So I hope you actually found this session educative, and I look forward to getting a review on this. Did you try it? How did it come out? And simply just leave a comment in the comment section. And if you found this video useful, leave a comment also in the comment section. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, do endeavor to subscribe, and set up a notification bell so you don't miss out on other great contents to come soon. Thank you.